Hi everyone, did you guys know that you can actually track your steps on your iPhone without the requirement of your Apple Watch? Well, here's how you can do it. So here we have health and fitness named two different applications, which is by default on your iPhone. You can use either of those applications. First of all, we're going to open health application. Here you can scroll down a bit. Here you can see these are the steps that my iPhone has tracked today. If you simply tap on it and expand this option, here you can get by details. Here you can see on average steps and today's steps. And like this, you can track your steps through health application. So if you go back and simply open the fitness application, here you can see fitness application has also tracked your steps. Here you can see the option of step count. Simply open it, expand it, and here you can get the distance and the step counts. You can also see the weekly and monthly options in here. Here you can also get the yearly options in here. And just like this, you can track your steps on iPhone without Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.